Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Prabhasan from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, studying in 2nd Sem CSC Data Science, USN 1V23 CD038, subject Waste Management, subject code BCTK 105F, topic implementing collection and transfer system of different types of waste. Now let us discuss about the environmental services, importance of waste collection system, benefits of implementing waste collection and transfer system, maintaining cleanliness, enhance the overall cleanliness of the surroundings, reducing pollution, contributes to lowering pollution levels in the environment, promoting public health, enhance public health by reducing the risk of diseases, sustainable resource management, aids in managing resources sustainably for future generations, contributes to protecting and preserving the environmental, is known as environmental protection. Waste collection methods. Waste collection methods overview, exploring various waste collection methods. Curbside pickup, a convenient method for household waste collection. Drop-off centers, a designated location for waste disposal and recycling. Recycling programs promote reusing materials to reduce environmental impact. Compositing, transforming organic waste into nutrient-rich soil. Waste management essentials, storage containers and collection vehicles, essential components for efficient waste management, proper storage containers, bins and dumpsters are crucial for waste segregation and easy collection. And the next one is about the transferring the waste into the disposal sites using garbage trucks, compactors and recycling trucks. Waste collection strategies, household a waste collection techniques, implementing waste collection and transfer system, scheduled at pickups, a collection at set of times to maintain cleanliness, on-demand services, flexible waste collection based on resident requests, and the community drop off points, designated locations for residents to dispose of waste. Safety and cost management, safety and cost considerations, importance of safety and cost in waste collection, proper training for workers, ensuring worker competency and safety, equipment maintenance, maintaining operational efficiency and safety, adherence to regulations, a compilation with legal requirements for safety, fuel expenses, significant factor affecting operational cost, labor costs. Employment and economic impact, employment opportunities in waste collection, exploring job roles and economic impact, waste segregation at source, involves separating waste into categories for efficient handling, decentralized processing units, utilizing local processing facilities to manage waste effectively, public awareness campaigns, educating the community to promote responsible waste disposal. Waste collection efficiency, storage container storage container characteristics, optimizing waste collection and transfer system, waste segregation at source, involves separating waste into categories for efficient handling, decentralized processing units, utilizing local processing facilities to manage waste effectively, public awareness campaigns, educating the educating the community to provide responsible waste disposal. First one is that consolidation, gather waste from multiple collection points at a central location. Second one is compaction, reduce the volume of waste to maximize transport efficiency. Distribution, transport the impacted waste to disposal or processing facilities. These are the factors that optimization and efficiency takes place in the waste transfer stations. Types of waste, we are differentiating the waste on the categorization and characteristics. Organic waste, food scrap, yard trimmings and other biodegradable materials. Hazardous waste, chemical, electronics and other potential harmful materials. Recyclables, paper, plastic, glass and metal items that can be processed. General refuse, everyday item that can be used easily or refused. Monitoring and evaluation, measuring performance. Waste diversion, track the percentage of waste diverted from landfills. Cost efficiency, monitor the overall cost effectiveness of the waste management system. Environmental impact, measure the system's footprint and environmental sustainability. And fourth one is the satisfaction, assesses customer satisfaction with the waste collection services. Transportation, logistics, routing and fleet management. Route optimization, develop efficient routes to minimize travel time and fuel consumption. Fleet maintenance, ensure vehicles are well maintained to reduce breakdowns and emissions. Driver training, provides driver with proper training on safety and eco-friendly driving practices. A conclusion and future consideration. Innovative technologies, explore merging waste management solutions such as automated collection and advanced processing methods. Circular economy, shift towards a closed loop system that maximize resource recovery and minimize waste. Sustainable partnership, foster collaboration between public and private sectors to be driven sustainable waste management initiatives.